Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of how to add Shiprocket in the Odoo. So first of all, we will go into the sales module. Here under configuration, we will go into the settings. Now under shipping, you will find a checkbox for Shiprocket connector. Enable that checkbox and save the configuration. Now here you will find the Shiprock shipping method. Open that and here you can see the Shiprock domestic delivery method. Now here under Shiprock configuration, you need to add the Shiprock email and password. So for this you need to create a Shiprocket account, and here is the tutorial how you can create a Shiprocket account. Here you can see you need to create a new account. Once you create your account, you go to the settings, API configuration, and you can add the new API user from the right side of the page. Here you can see that in the Shiprocket tutorial for the channel, you can see that how you can add a new channel. Here you can see the step how you can add the new channel. Now after this, you can see I have created a Shiprocket account. Here you can see my Shiprocket account in here. Now we will go into the settings, and in here we are going into the API and users. Open that and here you can see the user details. Here you can see the email, password and the status of this user. Here you can see that it is active, and you can see that you can also forgot the password, so you can reset it. Now here you will find add new API user. Just by clicking on that, you need to add the email address, password and confirm password. After that, you need to click on create user and your user will be created. Now here you can see my user is created in here. You can see the email and the password. These email and password need to be added into your Shiprocket configuration. Here you can see you need to add the email and the password into your Odoo interface, and you can just click on test connection and you can see the Shiprocket notification is generated successfully. Now after this, to create a new channel, again we will go into our Shiprocket account, and in here we will find a menu for setup and manage, and here you can see channels under that. Go into that and here you can see I have already created one channel for BrowseInfo Ahmedabad. Here you can see the connection status is connected and the channel status is active. You can edit it, otherwise you can just create a new channel from here. Just click on that and here click on manual add. Here you can add the channel name here, and you can add the brand name in here, and you can add the brand logo in here. After that, just click on save channel and test connection and your channel will be ready in here. Here you can see I have already created my channel. So here you can see my channel is BrowseInfo Ahmedabad. I have added this channel into my Odoo interface. Here you can see a sync button. Just click on that, and now in the Shiprocket channel drop down, you will find BrowseInfo 1. Select that and just save it. Now after all of this, your Shiprocket delivery method is setted. Now we are going to create a quotation under that. Now click on new, select a customer, and here you can see I have selected a customer as Deco Addict. Here you can see the address. The address should be for India. Now under order lines, select product. I will be adding cabinets with door. And here in the cabinet with door, just make sure under inventory the weight is already added. Now again we will come to our quotation, and in here you can see the product. Now here you will find a button for add shipping. Open that and here you can see you will be able to select a shipping method. I will be adding my shipping method as Shiprocket domestic. Just click on that and here you can see the total weight is updated according to the product. Now here you will find the get rate button. If I click on get rate button, this cost field near it will be updated accordingly to the total order weight. So here if I click on get rate, it will give me a validation error because I don't have enough credit for it. So as soon as you click on get rate, your cost will be updated. After clicking on add, you can see the Shiprocket domestic is added into the order line. And if I try to update the unit price and click on update shipping, again it will give me a validation error because we don't have enough credit for this. So now I'm going to confirm this sale order, and you can see a delivery is created for this. Just open that, and here you can see the delivery number. Here you can see the product. Under additional info in the carrier, you can see Shiprocket domestic is automatically updated. Here if you validate the delivery, you can see that the shipment for carrier Shiprocket domestic tracking number is this and the cost is this. It will also update a label for the delivery. Here you can see the tracking reference field. It will also be updated if you have enough credit for this. Like this, you can add the Shiprocket into your Odoo. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.